Welcome. It's October 1st. We have got an amazing month of movement planned. Just begin by shifting your body from side to side. Swing your arms. Let's wake up the joints. We're going to build strength, mobility, balance, consistency, discipline, presence. We're going to boost our mood and our energy. And energy is going to be our big focus for this month. How we can unblock the energy. How we can tap into the joy, the happiness, the passion, enthusiasm, the love that flows through us all day, every day. How we connect to that more readily. Begin to start coming up onto your heel. We're going to build some balance and core stability already. It's about finding unlimited energy because it's there. Energy doesn't get tired. How can we build our energy, keep that energy high throughout the day? And we're going to find tools and techniques and ways that we can do that. And we're going to start with a little bit of light, gentle movement done every day. It's going to build some real physical strength and other attributes. Help us stay more present, mentally strong and resilient, and tap into some things a little grander than that as well. Okay, let's begin. Just step behind, swing the arms, head up high. How do I know that we have all access to this love, joy, passion, enthusiasm inside of us? Well, there's a couple examples, but certainly think of a time when you're really tired and something happens and all of a sudden you don't feel so tired anymore. Maybe somebody comes and tells you, hey, I won $10 million. I'm giving 5 to you. Do you think your energy would be elevated? How about the grandkids come knocking on the door? Does the energy get elevated then? That's inside of us. It's not what's happening outside. It really is happening from the inside. How can we tap into that every day? That's what everyday energy is about. Tapping into that infinite energy. Okay, let's twist. Hands in prayer. Wide base. And twist. Head up. Breathe into the movement. See if you can't go a little further with your twists. We'll keep our sessions around that 10-minute mark. 8 maybe some days, 13 maybe, who knows. But short and sweet. Just enough to get the energy really elevated and the mood boosted. Okay. Really gentle, slight squat, and then open up. Just opening up the chest, very gentle, slight squat. So we can build energy with these sessions, but if you choose to do them in the evening, you can shift your energy as well. You're going to modify, slow down the movements, what suits you best. Like always, I'm going to bring some challenges. We're going to try some hard things. You're going to do your best. You're going to do things you never thought possible. So we just stick with it and continue to show up for ourselves every single day. Okay, now let's take that and open up. Just step to the side. Open your arm up. Great mobility in our hips, the upper back, our shoulders. And we're going to move with awe and wonder every day. Be amazed at what our bodies can do. Curious about what they can't. And if we can bring a smile into it, that'll be pretty good. Oh, just a couple more here. Excellent. Okay, this is one you can modify. So, we're going to just start with one foot right now. So the right foot, swing the arms. But if you like, you can bring that leg up and practice some balance, building great strength in the leg. And if that's not available just yet, just tap the foot back and forth. Having a chair or a wall nearby is always going to be useful. Taking a bit of assistance when needed is absolute strength, not weakness. And gradually you come off and you won't need it anymore. Amazing. Other side. Head up, find a nice flow. Some days the balance will be better than others. I seem to be having a nice balanced day. Very good to start our series. Some days it's just not there. We're going to embrace the challenges. We're going to be grateful when we're having a bit of a struggle, knowing that this is when we get a little stronger. We grow a little bit more to become that best version of ourselves. Ooh, yeah. Whoa, maybe I shouldn't have talked. There goes the balance. Well done. Oh, one of my most favorite moves. We're going to step forward, prayer wheel, and then reverse the wheel. Step with the other foot. Sink down just a little bit. A wonderful Qigong movement. Just follow along. Do your best. And let's be really present as we do this. There's a squirrel doing acrobats over there, making it difficult for me to be present here. Sometimes we just got to enjoy the show and the beauty that Mother Nature offers when she does. One more on each side. Bring all your presence, all your awareness into this move. Sink down, real big circle. Oh, not bad, not bad. Sink down just a bit. We're going to step and punch. Tap that toe, punch, make a fist. Every time we make a nice fist, really squeeze that hand. We're building wonderful grip strength. Sink down a bit. Great. Building strength in our glutes. Tap that foot out as far as you can, increasing our range of motion. Ooh, yeah. It'll all be there, I promise. And if you like, we can pick up the pace. I'd like to increase our stamina, our cardiovascular endurance, build that in our sessions as well. And again, if you're shifting your energy, maybe you're slowing things down, then just go real slow. You always get to choose your own adventure here. Okay. Oh, I'm just gonna last few really pick it up. Oh, well done. One last balancing move. We're gonna keep things very simple. Simple movements, but done with focus and intention. Just to start today on our first day, just bring your foot up, arms come to the side, then the other foot, and just flow here. This move can take us into airplane. We can go into crow, into the crane. But just head up, chest open wide, shoulders back, real integrity. You can slow it down and hold your pose there for a moment if you like. You could just tap the heel if that's where you're feeling you're at right now. Wonderful. Wherever you're at, accepting your starting place, then we can really begin and grow from there. There'll be no comparison here. We're all at different stages. Just do you. Ooh. One more on each side. Ooh, shake that out. How is the energy? It's accessible. We're gonna go through a lot of stuff, how we can unblock that energy, stay open to everything, open mind, open heart, all the possibilities that come. We're gonna continue with one pointed attention, focused. Pick one spot for 30 seconds, laser-like attention. We're building the ability to concentrate, to focus, to not get distracted. Just watch your mind. Every time it wanders, just bring your attention back to that one spot you're focused on. Let's go together. We won't worry about the helicopter flying above. That's perfect. There's always going to be distractions in our environment. Just notice and bring your mind back to your spot. Here we go. Just a short one for today. Energy? Let me know. Continue to comment, inspire each other, send out some wins, put something in discussion, ask questions. Let's keep building up each other so that we can all have this incredible everyday energy. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.